How to trade options on Fidelity Active Trader Pro.
Fidelity Investments provides investment management, brokerage services, retirement planning, and wealth management. It helps individuals and institutions grow their wealth through mutual funds, stock trading, financial advisory, and research tools.
First, go to Fidelity website and log into your account with email and password. On home page, click on Trade tab. Then looking over here on the right, we can actually see our option chain. Then up here at the top, we can see the stock that we are looking at right now. Here on the left-hand side, we can actually see all of the options expirations available for American Airlines. So here we can see the November 4th expiration, we can see the November 11th, and we can see it goes all the way out to the January 17th. At the top, you can also see all of the info columns displaying things like the current delta, the out-of-the-money percentage, and the current bid-ask. Choose the asking price. Down here below, select limit price. Then click on Review and Send. That's it. Thanks for watching.